parts about living in Belize is our staycations are next level. This past weekend I stayed at Kana in Cayo. It's right in the rainforest, and this was our villa, private plunge pool. It was such a vibe. Very mindful, very demure, loved it. And this was our breakfast for room service. It was great, and this is me stepping out of the vehicle, getting ready for the pontoon tour. That's all he told me. I'm going on a pontoon tour. They didn't mention anything about four-wheel drive only. Luckily, they sent ahead these cute little SUVs for us to get into. I'm on the pontoon. I'm just chilling, grilling. I really thought this is what we were going to do the whole day. We're on our way to a waterfall. We're getting the full apocalyptic experience. When you come on this tour, please remember to pack a pair of water shoes or Crocs. This is Chichem. This is what you don't touch. That's what I just touched. My hand's already tingling. So right now, you can see the waterfall in the background. And we have this tropical shower passing through, and we have lots of thunder and lightning. In Belize, when we hear that, we say that's Chop. He's the rain god. So, and he really does sound angry and thunderous when you hear him, and you're just out here in the elements. You're really just like in his domain. So this is waterfall number 2, and this one was more my vibe because they just backed the whole pontoon into a waterfall. It was great. These girls right here, they're so cute. They're best friends, but they look like a couple, which kind of reminds me this would be the perfect spot for a unique engagement or proposal. This is Roberto. He was our tour guide, and he owns Jungle Splash, and all the ladies on the tour, they low-key had a crush on Roberto. We're here at these natural infinity pools. This is the Sandpaper Waterfall. And the reason that it has that name is because these are composed of limestone. So when it comes down the waterfall, it creates these huge natural pools. On top of the waterfall, we have them also. This is a really interesting geographical location because over here, it's actually granite. So we have 2 tectonic plates meeting, where we have one that's composed of limestone and one that's composed of granite, and this makes this beautiful formation of these Mayan mountains and this beautiful rainforest that we're in. At the end of the day, I thought the adventures were done, but we actually got a ride up the hill from Roberto in his vehicle, and apparently I was the only one who was concerned about this check engine light thing. Like, I don't know what this is, but it looks concerning to me. Back at Kana, chilling and just waiting for this beautiful candlelight dinner that they had prepared for us with the saxophone player. Such a vibe, great way to end a day, and I can't wait to come back to Kana and Jungle Splash. Definitely check it out. Oh, and the rates are very reasonable. They have Belizean rates, so it's accessible to everyone, not just tourists.